Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to be reviewing this ultrasonic cleaner. I'm going to share exactly what I like about it, along with a few things that you should know before purchasing. So let's go ahead and dive in here. The way I normally clean my retainers is going to be with a toothbrush, but there's always a little bit of like a cloud, especially even if you brush them and leave it in this during the day. Now you can see how this gets like toothpaste and gets things on it. Even though I wash this, it literally just I feel like it's just a place for like germs. So let's go ahead and demonstrate it here for you. So this is just a simple plug. Plugs right here in the back, as you can see right there. And it only has one button, and that's the button here on the front. What you want to do is you can leave this plugged in if you want. What I like to do is just kind of go in and barely fill it. Now the outside can get wet, you just want to make sure that you avoid getting the plug wet. Also, if you take this out, this is the strainer here, the strainer basket where your retainers actually go in. You can see that on the inside that there is a max water line. That's right there. So putting that in, we're not above the max water line. And then you can put in your retainers. I put them in upside down here, but you can put them in any way. I like to put them kind of down on each side, and then close the lid. Now, like I said, on the front here is that one button, and you can push it once for 5 minutes cleaning process, or you can push it again, and it's going to turn white, and it's going to go to a 10-minute deep clean. Okay, so we're going to let it do its thing. You can see here, looking inside, that you see the lights inside, and you know that it's working. And then, of course, you can even see kind of the vibrations there a little bit. So like I said, you can hear it, you know that it's doing its thing. Now that it's finished, let's go ahead and take a look. What I do is I always pull out the tray and rinse it. So we'll turn on the faucet. I'll rinse it, and let's look at the retainers here. And you can see that they're definitely less cloudy, right? They're definitely more transparent, you can see through them more. And then sometimes if they're dirty, you can see a little bit of sediment here in the bottom. So this time they weren't really dirty. You don't see very much sediment. Like I said, I brush them every day and multiple times a day. But again, if you're someone where they're sitting and they get dirty, or sitting in something like this, right? You don't want to put that in your mouth, right? One of these is going to get them extra clean, and definitely, in my opinion, is a very good thing to have for hygiene purposes as well. There's a few things here that I read on reviews. People talked about it overheating. One thing is that it will blink here if it's getting too hot, because it does get warm, right? So not warm enough to melt the retainers, as you can see. I've been using this for over a year, and these are the same retainers that I've always had. But it does start blinking white if it does start to overheat. I've never had it do that, but that is a fail-safe switch. Also, I always unplug it, right? So I unplug it right after it's done, and then I empty out the water, and then you can also rinse it out. But again, when you rinse it, just make sure that you keep water away from the plug area. And like I said, I always rinse down in there and then pour it out. And then when I'm ready to use it the next day, then I'll plug it back in. Again, never had an issue with it overheating. So again, I love to be able to have this ultrasonic cleaner. Definitely, really, like I said, you can definitely tell each and every single time how much cleaner it actually gets my braces. So definitely something, like I said, I like to use every single night before putting them in, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy this cleaner as well.